Now, if you're thinking about going freelance, have recently started freelancing, or are within your first year of freelancing, this is the channel for you. Why, you may ask? Well, I've been freelancing for many years. I've worked with well over 100 clients, and I've collaborated with dozens of freelance partners on projects and retainers. Now, you're awesome at your skill, whether that's copywriting, design, videography, coding, marketing, etc. But it's those softer skills around going freelance that I hope to help you out on this channel with. So whether that's marketing your services, selling your services, the client relations aspect of freelancing, these are all things that I wish I knew when I first started out, and I have no doubt that if I did, I would have found a more successful and satisfying first year of my freelancing career. Now, don't get me wrong, a lot of these lessons are based on making many mistakes, and as I say, I wish I'd have known these, so I think by sharing them on the channel, I hope you can avoid them and find that way to success with your freelance career. Please subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to engaging with you, as always, to ask any comments and questions. I'm here to provide a service for you, so anything that you would like me to cover in the topics, I'll be very happy to do so.